This is a tutorial for Pianoman, this time as a piano accompanist. And so I'll show you the chords. You don't play the melody in the right hand, you play the chords in your right hand this time. And so we start with a C chord. It's 9, that's a C, E, G o'clock. That's E minor, which is B, E, G. On a Saturday, that's an A minor, A, C, E. Chord, G, C, and E. The regular, that's an F chord, A, C, F. Crowd goes back to C, G, C, E. Shuffles in, that's a D7 chord, A, C, D, and F sharp. And then a G chord, B, D, and G. And that repeats. There's an old man, C, E minor, B, E, G. Sitting next to me is A minor again, A, C, E. C, G, C, E. Making love, there's an F, A, C, F. To his tonic, that's a G chord, G, D, B, D, G. And G. It's got this thing, it's actually written in the chart here. If you can get that in, it's kind of cool. So it's basically, it's a C with a broken chord there, F, broken chord, C, and then your G chord again. D, G, and B in the top. And then it's a C chord again. He says, son, C, G, can you play me? E minor, B, E, G, a memory, A minor, A, C, E. C chord, G, C, E. Unlock, that's F, A, F, and C. Really sure, C, G, C, E. How it goes, D7, A, C, D, F sharp, and then G chord, G, D, and a B, D, G. But it's sad, C, and it's sweet, E minor, and I knew it, A minor, complete, C, when I wore F, a younger, that's a G chord, man's clothes. Then you got an A minor chord there. A, C, D, F sharp, and an F, and then A minor, and a D7 again, and then a G, B, D, and G like that, and a C, and a G, and then back to a C chord, same chord progression, C, sing us a song, E minor, you're a piano man. A minor, C, sing F, a song, C tonight, D7, G. Well, we're all C, in a mood, E minor, for melody, A minor, C, and U, F, got us feeling this G, back to a C. And then it's at the end, it's got this broken chord thing again. So that's your chords. Now, there's an interesting pattern with the bass note that repeats itself through this song a lot, where it walks down the piano. And I want to show it to you here. You start with a C chord. So you got a C in the bass, and normally you would be playing the root note of the chord, the note the chord's named for, as the bass note. But this is how it is on the recording. You've got a C chord. It's 9 o'clock. On a clock, you move down to a B in the bass, even though it's an E minor there. But E is part of the Actually, it is part of the E minor chord, so it's C, 9 o'clock, E minor with a B in the bass, and on a Saturday, A minor has an A in the bass, and then you got a C chord, but you do the G in the bass. The regular is an F chord, so you got an F in the bass. Then you got a C chord, but you got an E in the bass, and you're on D7. And you got a D in the bass. So all the way down, it goes all the way down. And it doesn't go back. It goes all the way down from that down to there, which is kind of cool. So work on that. And then you're back on a G chord again with the bass. And that does it again. C, E minor with a B in the bass. And then there's this interlude with the A minor chord. And then you got A minor with an A in the bass, A minor with a G in the bass, and then you got a D7 with this F sharp in the bass. F, A minor, F, E in the bass, sing us a song, you're the piano man. So that really makes it a lot of fun. Work on it, hands alone, slowly, and then when you put it together and you're all done, this is what it sounds like. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. He says, son,